finally here. Dude, it's been a struggle. I was at the airport for like, I want to say like almost 2 hours trying to figure out this transit card I had to get. It's like this Navigo transit card that you can use in Paris for a week, and it's like about $30 or 27 euros. And my friend actually told me about this, and you can use this for anywhere in Paris as well as like the trains for Palace of Versailles, and it's like unlimited for a week. And it was like just a struggle because I had to get like this like mini passport photo, and the photo booth wasn't working for a while, and there was just such a long line. But I'm finally here. I'm very sweaty, and it's about 12:25. I landed around 9, so it's been like 3 hours. I'm just like very excited to be here. It's my birthday. I'm like kind of going with the flow with this trip. I didn't really plan anything big. I don't even like have an itinerary, but I'm very excited to like show you guys around Paris. Right now I'm just going to shower and figure out some stuff. I'm a little bit jet lagged. My head hurts because I think I need to sleep, but I think I'm just gonna like eat like one meal, walk around, maybe eat pastries here and there. And but also let me give you guys a tour of this like mini studio room. It's like nothing special, but I thought in case any of you guys are interested, I'm gonna show you guys anyways. When you walk in, here's the bed. There's just like a mini table there. Here's like the bathroom with like a shower, and then like a small sink and toilet. And then here you have just another table, just like a sink and kitchenette, fridge, microwave. But also one thing that's really cute here is like the mini outside area. So cute.
J'aurais mis, mais ce que j'ai pour dire que
So this morning was like a little bit of a fail. It's currently like almost 8. It's 7:49 a.m. I actually woke up around like 4:30. I got up and like showered a little bit. I got some Parisian pastries. So I got 2 things. Oh my god. I got this like rose pastry. It looks so good. And then I also got this like potato puff pastry. It was like fairly inexpensive. I think for both it was €4.50, which is honestly not bad because converts to around $6. And if you go to like a pastry shop in SF, one of these will probably be like $6-7, which is crazy. I'm gonna go eat these right now. I might chill a little bit, but I think today is just mainly gonna be a food day. I'm gonna try out a lot of food. Hopefully I'm gonna show you guys. I think I will show you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna like vlog live, but come eat with me. Pierre Hermé, which is like this really famous pastry shop in Paris. I actually went there last time I was here about 8 years ago, and it was so good. First time I was here, I got the Isifan. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that wrong, but I got the Isifan croissant, which is their signature flavor of rose, lychee, and raspberries. It was like so good. However, it was sold out today, or at least the location that I went to, it was sold out. So I just got macarons instead. I came in this little cute box. However, this box set was like pretty expensive. This box plus 4 macarons is about 13 euros, which is $15-ish, like pretty pricey. However, I wanted to like keep this as a souvenir because it was like pretty cute. This is the macarons I got. So I got the signature Isifan flavor. There's an orange, there's a chocolate passion fruit, and then there's a lemon. I'm not gonna eat this right now. I'm probably gonna eat this like tomorrow or tonight, whenever I feel like it. So I don't know the last time I talked to you guys, but it's currently like 8 a.m. and I got some croissants, and I'm so excited because I think this is like my first croissant of the trip, and I got 2. I got a pain au chocolat, which is like a chocolate croissant, and then I also got this croissant, and they're each like $1, which is crazy because if you get it like in California or in SF, one of these would probably be like $5-6, but it's just like only $1 here. They're so flaky. I think one of my favorite parts of a croissant is like, I love the flakiness and the like crunchy exterior, but like the semi-doughy inside that's like still very buttery as well is like really good too.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you.
So I'm finally back from last night. Last night was so much fun. It was like my first time clubbing in Paris, and I met up with my friend that I met from college, and she knew someone that lived here, and so they wanted to like take us clubbing, so I went. I was actually like pretty surprised. We went to like a couple clubs. One just played like a lot of house music, and then one was like much younger, and they played I want to say like French R&B, French hip-hop. It was cool. There was a lot of lights, but I'm finally back home. I slept over at their place, and I think it's like in the 15th arrondissement. And then me and my friend, we just like hung out, like explored Paris for the day, ate lunch together. We put some clips of that in. By now, I'm just gonna like shower because I feel so gross right now. And then try to pack. I leave tomorrow morning. So sad, but I am like, I had so much fun on this trip. At first it was like a little bit boring because I was like by myself and I already been to this city before, but since meeting my friend, it was like so much fun. It really lightened up the mood. And I think tomorrow before my flight at 8 p.m. I'm gonna hang out with her one last time. She invited me to go to the Dior cafe, and I'm not really into like luxury designer things, but it's just like super fun to be able to hang out with her again and like experience the Dior cafe. But yeah, and this was just my outfit for tonight. I just wore this like square neck tank top and like a leather jacket and some jeans. I don't know why I've been like so itchy. I'm like prone to getting mosquito bites. I have like a lot here and like a lot here, and I also got like more on my legs that are just like fresh, so that's been itching. I don't know, the one thing I hate traveling is that I'm so prone to like insects and bites. I think it's just something in my blood that produces like a certain chemical, so I get like bitten more, and I didn't bring like bug repellent or anything, so that's really annoying. I'm just gonna pack now and shower.